Hey everyone, for this video I will show you how to make a QR code for your Wix website. First, go to your site. Now click on Design Site on the upper right corner. Now you need to make sure that your site is published. So just click on Publish on the upper right corner. Then select Save and Continue. Now just view your site. Then you need to copy your site's URL. Now go to another tab and search for QR code generator. You can select the first one, then choose website. Now just paste in the URL of your site. You can also name your QR code and you can also add a password for it if you want. Now click next. Here you can design your QR code. You can change the QR code patterns and also add in a frame for it. You can also change the frame background color, also the QR code corners. You can also add a logo for it, and once done, just click on Create. Now your QR code is ready. You can also download it by typing in your email. And that's it. That's how you make a QR code for your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.